In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an AI logo in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose a square canvas size which works best for logos. After the canvas opens, go to the Apps section on the left side of the editor. In the search bar inside Apps, type Logo Maker or AI Logo Generator and open the tool. Next, enter a short description of the logo you want. For example, you can describe your business type, style, colors, or theme. Canva's AI will generate several logo ideas based on your description. Browse through the generated options and choose the one you like. Click Add to Design to place it on your canvas. After adding the logo, you can customize it by changing colors, fonts, icons, or layout to match your brand. Adjust the size and positioning until the logo looks clean and balanced. When your logo is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG format for high quality and enable transparent background if you want to use the logo on different backgrounds.